start vlogging. Hello people, welcome to another lazy video. I'm spinning in the little stool right now. Today's task, we're gonna do his freaking wing, and we're gonna do a video install on the freaking aftermarket steering wheel, which he's got right there.
Full kit.
Full kit.
From a 1G.
1G. Hey. Alright, yeah, and then one more added to it, the Fender, to paint match the whole car. But yeah. So we're gonna get started with the wing first. So yeah, it's over there. It's a white one. We just keep it white.
Reverse panda.
Reverse panda. Alright, so first thing is first, we gotta start sanding a little bit. Alright, what's the sanding pistol?
We're just gonna wing it for this, guys.
Well, yeah, wing it. Wing it. You guys get it? We're just gonna wing this.
Look at Miguel.
No pun intended. Alright, so we got ahead of ourselves and want to go get some paint and primer. This glossy black. This should work fine because I've used it before in my car. Just a little heads up, I used my whole car with this basically. So anyways, so we had sandpaper already laying there. It's a 320. It's not that much, but the 800 is like the finishing touch one. Ooh.
This is
Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna start with the 320. 320. We're just gonna do like the whole wing on it, and then we're gonna do the whole fender on it, and. They're fake?
Damn, exposed.
Dude, you've been using fake parts? Overnight shipping from eBay? Dude, those don't look like ARPs, man.
Yeah, that they lost their color.
Nah. They don't lose the color.
We upgrading, boys.
Alright. Okay, so we're gonna start sanding this. The reason why we're gonna sand this so we could take off the clear coat on it, and after taking off the clear coat on it, it should have enough grit on it to get rid of a little bit of the paint, to have a little bit of grit for the paint. So it's dirty. You could tell that there's clear, and wherever is not dirty, the clear is gone. And keep going out.
Do you need some help there, Miguel?
I think I'm tying it, dude. I swear to God.
No, you're going the right way.
Fuck.
Focus on one only, not on both. You can do it.
Dude, I'm bending the freaking.
Do you want me to do it?
I'm doing something wrong.
Alright, so back to this. So it's just gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts right here. Just gonna take those off. And it has like what? 2 down here? It's usually connected to the bumper, so you'll have to remove that, and it's hard to get into. Yeah. Miguel knows how to do this a lot more because we do the quick releases. So you have to like pop out this so you could reach in a ratchet.
Yeah, so usually there's 2 10mm bolts in there.
Yeah. And then you're gonna most likely have to take off, disconnect it from the fender liner that's up here, but I removed it so we can lower the car. And then if you have side skirts or not, it's gonna be a little more difficult because you have 2 more bolts under here, 2 more 10s under here that are gonna be like covered by the side skirts.
Having side skirts.
So when am I getting my side skirts?
I gotta pick those up.
Alright, so I'm gonna get this disconnected and I'll show you guys how it is when it's done. Bolts holding this on.
Tell them about the one on the door too? There's one bolt.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, you don't put that one on?
Well, I have it on there, but it's shouldn't be on there anyways. No, yeah, it's disconnected from this because this car was previously hit on this side, so that's undone. But there's one bolt like right in there. I recommend taking it off. You don't need it.
You don't need it.
But see, easy.
Yeah. The DSMs look good without fenders.
I know.
Yeah.
So fenderless now?
Fenderless and hoodless, but you gotta have
Damn.
a turbo, otherwise you can't.
Fenderless, hoodless, and secret parts on it.
Huh?
Secret parts later on.
Dude, how's it look? Damn, dude.
It looks matte white.
It looks brand new.
Yeah.
Yeah, because all the clear coat's off already. You know, there's nothing too rough on it, nothing too soft on it. Whoa. But yeah, pretty much it. And I only use half of a sheet.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to vlog here.
I'm trying to vlog it.
He's at 800, half a sheet. Well, it comes in halves. Just did a little quick, one layer of that all over the wing, and then you grab a clean rag and you wipe it down.
Honestly though, this looks like really nice.
Told you, just keep it white.
No.
Yeah, yeah. And then once you wipe it down, it should be. This one is ready to be painted. But right now we're gonna focus on the fender neck.
No, you're focusing on the Evo. Sorry.
Double wing?
Double wing it.
Double wing it. Miguel? Double wing it?
Don't do it.
Wow. Alright, so what's the plan for Fender? Same thing?
Skin, bro.
Ooh. Oh, where?
Dude, I was putting the ratchet on. The ratchet.
Oh, you fixed
Oh
it like
my gosh, Miguel.
That hurt so bad.
that. Alright.
So for the Fender.
For the fender, we're gonna use same method. So the 320, fold it in half, use half a sheet. That's all you need. Alright.
Let's get to this. And we'll show you the product when it's done.
Alright, we gotta pause on this real quick. Who showed up? Man, look at this. That's my old hood, you guys. That's my old hood. That's my hood. This is way better on this car. Way better. So the next step is we're gonna hold off on that. Might as well throw on our first layer of paint on the wing right now. Usually you gotta shake these for a minute. So, alright guys, it's been a minute. Now let's start spraying. Whoa, that was bad. That was bad. When you want to do the first layer, you don't want to do it too thick. Nice spot that you can see but not fully covered. Well, that's the way I was taught. Because then the next layer is the one where you're just gonna start covering it. So we'll leave it at that right now. Alright guys, so I got ahead of myself. I'm already half a can, but I started spraying it for the second layer and it actually came out pretty good now. The way I did it, you can see small little streaks on there, but the third layer should cover that up. I'm gonna let it sit right now in the sun, and I'll show you guys how the final product's gonna look in at the third layer on it. All right, so this is ready to paint. That's on its third layer of coat already, and Miguel threw in a little freaking hood stand thing. Let's paint it real quick. Well, anyways, I threw it on there. So our little booth is being used. So